Hello, I'm Ben,
Hi, I'm Tan.
and we're here on the FPGA Spinthesizer team.
Okay, so our project will take in the MIDI signal from, for example, a MIDI keyboard, and then it will pass the signal into the frequency which will be played on the stepper motors, and that will make some audible pitch.
Yeah, let's show how it's done.
Yeah.
Okay. So here we've got our MIDI keyboard, and it plugs into a MIDI octocoupler that goes into the UART receiver port that we built on our FPGA. And if I play a note on the keyboard, I can see that it plays on these stepper motors here. I can also see that different volumes, so if I play really quietly, only one motor, but if I play a little bit louder, you see 3, 2, or 4. I can also play many notes at a time, so if I play a low C here, and then a G here, and then maybe a C here, and then an E, and a G, and you know what, even a high C right here, and we can play this big chord right here.
Our system can play 6 notes at the same time, and each with 5 different volumes, from 0 or not playing to 4, which is playing at full volume. The system will implement the volumes by playing different numbers of stepper motors at once. So the volume that I said, that is 0 to 4, is basically the number of stepper motors that are playing, which will make the note play at different volumes. And the note itself is played by stepping the motor at the same frequency as the note itself. So for example, the middle A note, which is 440 Hz, will be stepped 440 times a second, which will produce the audible pitch that is the same frequency as middle A note.
And if we flip the switch on this, it can also play on its own. So these are chords that we preloaded into the FPGA. You can choose them to be any chords. Right now it's playing a 12-bar blues, and we also can preload the rhythms. So it's playing a swing rhythm on the beats. And you'll see that it's going through the full 12 bars, all the chords of the blues. I'm gonna reset it now and show you something else that we can do. So now I'm playing along with the chords.
Okay, so it actually does something. It doesn't do a lot. That's like.
And now it's cached my input, and now it's going to use that as the basis of the 12-bar blues scale, and it's going to improvise based on the rhythms that I'm inputted originally. So it's going to take those notes that I played, add a little bit of randomness, and fit them into a scale that we specified works with this chord progression. And now it's responding to my call and response. So I did the call, it's doing the response, and we can go back and forth across multiple 12 bars and play with each other. Right now, we're back on the 12 bars again, so now it's my turn to play. There's also a light on our FPGA that shows when the system's improvising versus when you're supposed to be playing. And now you'll see it improvise again.
And then
And that's our system.
like do